Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out the JUKMO tactical belt. Comes in this nice little box here. Right, correct usage. Put the strap through. Okay, it's a nice little gift box it comes in. Little bag here as well. It's pretty nicely packed here. So these come in multiple different colors. So basically like, oh wow. So this has a nice actual stretch to it, and it's pretty firm. So with like a tactical belt like this, be able to adjust that and have a little bit of give to it is pretty good. And then this just goes through here and then just clamps down if we need to hold it in place. So that is quick and easy. And what's really nice about this is I love the way this hooks together. It just pushes right in there and it just pulls. It's like a metal attachment there. So it's like really, it's easy to undo, but also you know that this is not gonna come undone accidentally like other belts. So that is nice. It's solid metal here. Let's go ahead and try this on here. You don't want to try to push this through the belt loop, so you just undo this real quick, which is super easy. Slide your belt out. Get your belt on all the way. This is nice and thick, so whether you're putting on like a holster or something, you can see this is a wide belt. It's got some durability and thickness to it, so it doesn't bend super easy, but still flexible enough to where it bends with you. So let's try it out here. All right, here we go. We can also see the stitching on here. Lots of extra stitching, so that's going to be super durable. I like how this one is thinner too, so we can just push this easily through our belt loops. And I like how it's nice and stiff here at the end, so it pushes through without too much problem at all. And then we can just attach this one. Now this is super nice here, how easy this is to put on here. Get it the dimension that we want. And we know there's a little bit of flexibility in here as well. So just lock that into place and just slide that in just like that. So that is nice. Holds really well. I like that it is flexible. So I think this is the actual first belt I ever had where it actually has some give to it. So I had this belt on previously, but it's like a seat belt. No give to it at all. This one has some flexibility to it, but it takes quite a bit of resistance. So just a really good idea. I've never ran into a belt like that flexes this much for it. But I like it. I like that aspect of it. And then if you need to adjust this, just pulls out real easy, and you can tighten it down that way if you need to, and just lock it back into place. Taking it on off, just click it and then push it back in. Really handy for like a tactical belt, military stuff like that, law enforcement. This is a nice, strong, durable belt with the buckle is this whole metal piece here is really sturdy. So I like that it comes in a lot of military looking colors as well, like the tan, like the bluish color, all like kind of a navy or a greenish look to them. But this matches pretty much everything that I have. Really nice belt, my friends. Yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. I'm super impressed with this. You guys have a great day, and I will see you all next time.